Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effect in Royal Match. If you want to enjoy silent experience on Royal Match, then all you need to do is to turn off the sound effect. Launch open the Royal Match application on your mobile device and from the home screen, tap the gear button at the top right. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to toggle off the button under music and sound. Make sure that both of the boxes are turned off, and after you do that, you will mute all the sound and background music from the game. This will completely mute Royal Match while you play, and you can go ahead and enjoy the music-free experience. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Royal Match tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.